got our drought update last Thursday, and with that update, we saw this yellow region shifting a little bit farther towards the south. It's not a sign you want to see if you live in the Lincoln-Lancaster County area. That means abnormally dry conditions getting closer and closer to you. Now, every month, the Climate Prediction Center issues these drought outlooks, and unfortunately, this yellow shaded area, they're forecasting drought development for the month of August. So that's consistent with what we saw with our drought update last week. So hopefully we can get some rainfall. In fact, some may see some rainfall this evening, especially going out into this chunk of real estate. A severe thunderstorm watch has been issued for all these yellow shaded counties. It includes York out towards Grand Island. It does not include Lincoln because I suspect a lot of this rainfall will weaken by the time it would arrive in the capital city and points off towards the southeast. But in effect until 1 o'clock tonight, we have seen additional counties added in. The North Platte office just had to add these counties into their graphical forecast editor to get these to show up on our screen here. But it includes Broken Bow out towards O'Neill. So these storms are in this chunk of real estate right now, and they'll move off towards the east and southeast. In fact, here's a look at radar imagery right now. Nothing severe at this time, but we are watching for that potential as we go throughout the evening hours as these storms continue to move into some of our counties in the Channel 8 coverage area. Stormcast doing a good job of the placement of these thunderstorms. Here they are right around 6 o'clock. They move off towards the southeast as the night wears on. It could be strong this evening. I'm thinking damaging straight line winds and large hail. The main concern with these, can't completely rule out maybe a brief spin up, but that does look like it's a pretty low chance at this time. Look what happens once we get past sunset. These storms start to weaken, and then by the time they get to Lincoln, yeah, they kind of fizzle out altogether. So we may see some upper clouds streaming in overhead in Lincoln from these thunderstorms, but the actual rain, right now it looks like it'll weaken before it gets here. Otherwise, we're going into the overnight hours on a mostly clear note. Temperatures right now very warm. 96 degrees at Lincoln Airport, 93 in Beatrice, 93 Wahoo, 93 as well in Nebraska City. It is 90 degrees outside in York and 94 in Grand Island, but poof, that humidity, that feels rough. 104 for the current heat index, or that feels like temperature at Lincoln Airport, 105 in Nebraska City, and warm spot on the map, Falls City, feeling like 110 degrees right now. It's not going to get any better going into Tuesday. In fact, a heat advisory in effect for all of central and eastern Nebraska, including Lincoln, from 1 o'clock through 8 o'clock tomorrow, because yeah, it's going to feel a little bit worse. Heat indices tomorrow afternoon could peak anywhere from the 105 to 110 degree range. In many locations, we could be pushing that 110 degree mark. So yeah, it's going to feel quite toasty for Tuesday. Things may slightly get a little bit better on Wednesday, as you'll see in the 10-day outlook, but still a warm 10-day outlook nevertheless. For tonight, 73 degrees, some evening storms to the northwest, otherwise mostly clear. For the day on Tuesday, a little bit warmer, 102 degrees our forecast high, mostly sunny skies. It's another hot and muggy day, and you might notice a little bit of a breeze. South and southwesterly winds gusting upwards of 25 miles per hour at times. And again, I mentioned that little dip in temperatures on Wednesday. Here's what we're talking about, maybe middle 90s for highs, because we've got a wave moving on by Wednesday. Could bring us a chance for a couple of isolated showers or thunderstorms. Not a phenomenal rain chance, but it's there. A few of us may have to dodge a few of those showers and thunderstorms. We keep 90s in the forecast through the end of the work week. Sunny skies on Thursday and Friday. Another disturbance may pass for the weekend, maybe increasing clouds on Saturday and Sunday as a result of that. But again, not looking at like washout type conditions for the weekend. We got another 100 degree a day there on Saturday. So just hazy, hot, and humid. The whole 10-day outlook, a few small rain chances intersprinkled. Honestly, this is a pretty typical summertime forecast.